YouTube's magnificent. I got to do this mod on the go, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to get it done fast. So this interior is great, but it's just kind of blah for me, and so I want to create some contrast. So I'm going to take off this entire cluster gauge, and I'm going to remove the faceplate, change that to red to match the truck, and then the chrome pieces, I'm not a fan of chrome, as you know. I'm going to change them and take those out very delicately and paint those to match the contrast color that I am going to do. And you will see what that color is to match all the other stuff. So let's get started. Use one hand here. There we go. Now you're going to eventually need to get this off, so just pull this down. These are just clips. You're going to remove this, this, these are 7 mils, and when we get to that point, what you want to do is once you get that off, you're going to have to turn the car on, pull the lever down, shift it down so you can kind of maneuver it out and push this right here and take it all the way down, just like that, so you have room. So once you do that, you'll simply pop it out and you'll take the harness off real easy, and you can get the cluster gauge. 7mm here. I'm going to go ahead and knock this one out. So just these 3 7mm. 1. Okay. Grab these 3. And 1. I'll grab that one. Okay. Now we'll go ahead and turn the key on, bring this down, and this should just come off. This one, just pull this out like so. Okay, so now I'm going to take off this 7mm here, this 7mm here, and we shall see where that goes. Lose that, so I'm going to be very careful. Those are the same sizes, so no need to worry about separating them. Let me get this one now. Got that. Now there's these 2 back here too. I forgot these 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now she just comes like so. Comes out, the harness is right there. So now I've got that. I'm gonna turn the car off. And I'm gonna remove the harness. See if I can do this with one hand. 1 second here. Alright, shouldn't be too hard. Simply press down on this little piece right here. Press down, push that back. Harness is out. Done. Now that I got this, all you need to do now, remove this clip here. You can use your fingers or you can use another deal, whatever you feel is best. Remove this here. Remove this here. It just separates. See that? Okay. This one came back, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and be right back. Camera clip pliers like I usually do. So I'm just gonna use this bad boy. See if I can do it with one hand. I actually need 2. Let's see. Yep, I'm gonna need 2. I'm just gonna pull it up. But as you notice here, I will be honest, if I was keeping these needles, I probably would have used panel clip pliers, because look at that. But since I'm not, I am just going to pull them out. So these just simply pull off like so. These are the RPMs. The speedometer pulls off like so. And then this one pulls off as well. Just got to get under it. So I'm going to replace those real quick, real easy. So here's what kit comes in. Let's see how we're gonna work it. You notice I have a glove on just to prevent contamination. You don't think you do, but the oils in your hands do cause things to stick, so I would not do that. All right, this one's next. Okay, pick that up. I considered putting some adhesive on here, but I'm gonna take this off when I put the new needles back on, because I don't have those yet. I forgot to get those. And this last one, this speedometer one, I think I'm gonna have to break this side because of the glass is so close, it's not coming out. I literally had to cut this piece off. These have that little hole there to kind of, I had to take that off just to get this out, so it's okay. I'll plastic weld it back together. It looks like without the new needles, not bad. All right, test of truth. All right, as you can see, I'm putting it back together. Really easy, guys. As you can see, I did this on the, well, you didn't know this, but I did this on my work break. So 30 minutes and you're done. I mean, make sure you have all the tools right, and you'll be good to go. If you have hand tools, take you a little bit longer. I mean, only thing really taken out is the 7mm bolts, but that's it, guys. I mean, real simple. I think it looks real nice. Last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. And so I got my chrome out. I'm gonna go ahead and sand these down and get them ready for the accent, and I'll go ahead and reveal it now. It's gonna be a white accent, and I'll go ahead and take that out again and put the new needles in this back at the same time. But hey guys, if this was really helpful, cool, interesting, whatever, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, comment, and hey, I'd love to see some comments about other colors, because I'm pretty much matching this. I've never done red before, but I think it'll look pretty cool. See, I've already scratched it up a little bit. I used 600 grit sandpaper, just a little bit, and I'm doing this just in break at work. So you don't need really much time, just, you know, use net time, no extra time. And I did it just while I was waiting for some things. And I've done my first coat, let it stay for about, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, so I can grab my second coat and do a total of maybe three coats, and then do 1 coat of clear. So I'm gonna do that and go from there. As far as what I'm using, I mean, nothing major. It's just, you know, I'm using flat primer. Come on, flat, not glossy. Not a big fan of the gloss look, but that's it. After I'm done here, depending on how it looks, I might actually give it a different feel. I might just actually wrap it in carbon fiber, which I'll show you what that looks like. But if you're gonna do that, just a heads up, you're gonna have to wait maybe a week for the paint chemicals to kind of diffuse out of the product, or sorry, not product, but out of the object, just so that you don't get bubbles or whatever else when you're doing your vinyl. So I'll go to that point. So when you are doing it, it's best if it comes with this tool, which normally only comes if you get the needles. This tool, when you're putting these back in, you just simply put this tool underneath it while you push down the needle, so that you know how far down it should be pushed down. It shouldn't go down all the way, but that little notch there, that lets you know you're far down enough. Putting this in, you're gonna go sideways like this and drop down. Trust me, I've tried all other ways, and this is what you do. All right, YouTube, so here is the final product. Not bad. It took so long. Couple of notes. So it's really simple to put this one in. Now this one, because of just where it is, the glass is so close to this edge here that, well, 2 things happened. I didn't let the paint dry long enough. Not only that though, once I tried to let it dry enough on one occasion, I did. However, because the glass was so close, I had to use my fingers to press so hard down on here to try to get it through the little rivets that are in there, that it created an indentation on the paint. So of course I couldn't, being the perfectionist I am, do that. So I took it off,
Re-sanded it. I did it like 3 times, and eventually here's what I had to do. I had to take off, so the actual housing, I literally had to cut off with the pliers the 2 bottom rivets, so that when I just install this, I just put them in, they just literally just slide in. And so the only thing really holding it is here, 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 and here. These just slide in because, again, it was just too close to the glass. But hey, I was just done after this time. But hey, here it is. It looks good. I'm gonna continue again, the red and white interior. We're gonna go ahead and white this bad boy, white these bad boys. Please stop. White these, and I'm gonna go from there. So hey, love to hear your comments. What do you think? Magnificent signing out.